Hi kids! Today let's see few facts about butterflies. Butterflies undergo a remarkable metamorphosis transforming from egg to larva, that means caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and finally emerging as a beautiful adult. Despite their short adult life, some butterflies, like the monarch, undertake incredible migrations covering thousands of miles. Butterflies taste with sensors on their feet, allowing them to identify suitable food sources and potential mates. Unlike moths, butterflies have club shaped antennae with a feathery appearance, aiding in sensory perception. Some butterflies have evolved remarkable mimicry to resemble toxic species, deterring predators. The viceroy, for instance, mimics the toxic monarch. With over 17,500 identified species worldwide, butterflies display a stunning array of colors, shapes, and sizes. Some butterflies, like the glasswing butterfly, have semi-transparent wings that aid in camouflage and confuse predators. Butterflies use a long tube like proboscis to sip nectar from flowers, unraveling to assess their liquid diet. Male butterflies often gather on moist surfaces to extract minerals, a behavior known as puddling. Butterflies possess compound eyes, granting them a broad field of vision, crucial for detecting movement and avoiding predators. Butterflies can see a broader spectrum of colors, including ultraviolet light, which is invisible to humans. At night or during unfavorable weather, butterflies find shelter and rest by hanging upside down. Some species, like the painted lady, engage in mass migrations covering thousands of miles across continents. Butterflies inhabit diverse ecosystems from rainforests to deserts, showcasing their adaptability. Butterflies use visual signals like wing patterns and colors to communicate and attract mates. Female butterflies carefully select host plants to lay their eggs, ensuring the survival of their larvae. The vibrant colors on butterfly wings come from tiny scales that overlap like shingles on a roof. Butterflies employ various strategies such as toxic chemicals or rapid flight to evade predators. Butterflies are ectothermic, relying on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. While primarily nectar feeders, some butterflies supplement their diet with pollen, gaining additional nutrients. Some butterflies, like the owl butterfly, are active at night, feeding on flower nectar under the moonlight. Certain wasps lay eggs on or inside butterfly pupae, and the wasp larvae consume the Developing butterfly. Due to habitat loss and climate change, many butterfly species are at risk, emphasizing the importance of conservation efforts. Scientists use synthetic pheromones to attract specific butterfly species for research and conservation purposes. Creating butterfly friendly gardens with suitable plants helps support these delicate insects and promotes biodiversity. Thanks for watching Rainy Express. Please do like, subscribe and comment for more videos.